Hey guys, this is the LF Bros Plateau all-in-one diesel heater, model November 2 Tango. I was curious if this power supply is fused or not internally to the diesel heater for a project I'm working on. So it looks like I'm gonna have to open this thing up to verify. So I guess I might as well make a video since I don't think anybody's really done a video like this. Sort of. Kind of. This is my first time opening this diesel heater. Now this right here is a shield that I built before my last camping trip to prevent rain from getting inside the intake here, which is on this side. So that's why it's kind of, it looks different. This is something that I had to make on my own. Like I didn't buy it, or it didn't come like this. A lot of screws. Okay, that's just a that's off. There you go. And just a little rubber gasket here on the gas cap. Just made it a little tricky. I'm gonna close this back up. All right. Here it is. Here's the gas tank. Got a little bit of diesel in there. There's a little bit of diesel in there. I didn't empty it fully, but let's see. Ooh, this whole freaking decided. Okay. Let's take a look at what we got going on this side. So this is what it looks like. There's the fuel pump right here. It's on a nice rubber damper right here. I guess that's to keep the noise down. This is some sort of a filter, I believe. I'm not gonna mess with that. This is the exhaust. This is the intake. Here's some wiring. There's the fuse. All right, so it is fused. That's good to know. That is a 20 amp fuse. All right, so that's good because now I don't need to install another fuse external to this guy. And that's on your main power feed here. That just comes in right here. The power supply. Good. Yikes. Okay. I don't know if I like that. Oh boy. Why? Okay, I need to go in here and QC this thing, I guess. I don't like seeing wire strands sticking out like that. Yeah, it looks like I might need to clean this up. There's that. I don't know what that is. Okay. All right, well, this is the inside. Looks like this comes down too. There's the wires, red, black, and green on the right, red and black on the left. I need to take that tape off and take a look at what's going on underneath this this tape here. I don't like that. All right, so here's what I found. I removed the tape here from the factory. This is okay. They just did a little bit of soldering here. Come on, focus. Yeah, they just did, they soldered these positive leads here, so I'm just gonna retape it. It's good, that's a solid connection. I might just take this one off too, just to make sure this one's soldered. They probably are, that's good. Okay. All right, so yeah, I took the tape off the other side. That's soldered in pretty good too, it's solid, so I'm all right with that. I would have probably offset the solder joints, so in the event that they broke insulation or vibrated together, they wouldn't touch. But it is what it is. There it is. There's the intake, combustion intake. There's a 12-volt harness here coming out of the diesel heater going to this plug. It's a pretty substantial plug right here. Fuse, and that's it. All right. I'm gonna fix this up, close her up, and that'll be a wrap.